Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. If you want to improve your Wi-Fi signal strength and eliminate dead zones, this video is for you. Today, we'll guide you through the straightforward process of setting up the Loom 300 megabits per second range extender using the WPS method. It's fast, easy, and effective. Let's begin. First, let's unbox the device. Inside the box, you'll find the Loom 300 megabits per second range extender, a user manual, and a setup guide. You can also expect a quick start guide to help you through the initial setup. First, plug your Loom 300 megabits per second range extender into an electrical outlet. Wait for the power light to start blinking. This means it's ready to be connected to your router. The WPS method will help you connect the extender to your Wi-Fi network without needing to enter a password manually. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. After doing so, the WPS light on the router will start blinking, signaling that the router is now in pairing mode and ready to connect to another device. Next, within 2 minutes, go to your Loom 300 megabits per second range extender and press the WPS button on it. You'll usually find this button on the front or side of the extender. Press and hold the button for a few seconds until the WPS light starts blinking on the extender as well. Now, both your router and the range extender are in WPS mode. The extender will automatically connect to your router, and the WPS light will stop blinking and stay solid once the connection is successfully made. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. Now, you can place the extender in a location where you need a stronger Wi-Fi signal. Ideally, it should be placed halfway between your router and the area where you need improved coverage. Make sure the signal light is still solid, showing a good connection. Finally, connect your devices to the newly extended Wi-Fi network. The network name, SSID, will usually be the same as your main router's network, or it may include _EXT at the end, depending on your extender's settings. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and expert guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Loom 300 megabits per second range extender using the WPS method. This is the fastest and easiest way to expand your Wi-Fi coverage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.